How to remove Copilot from your Windows 11 computer. So in this video, I'll show you how to completely remove Copilot from your PC. Now, the first step is to open up the Start menu and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, click on Apps, and then click on Installed Apps. Now, go and use the search box to type in Copilot, and you should see two applications here, Microsoft Copilot, and also just the Copilot as well. Now, first thing you need to do is click these three horizontal dots on the Microsoft Copilot, click on uninstall, and then click the uninstall button. Now once you've done that, you'll also need to do the same for this one as well. So just go and uninstall it like so, and that should go and remove the Copilot from the taskbar. Now once you've done that, you can close out of this window, and we also need to do the same for the registry editor. So open up the Start menu, you can then search for registry editor and click on this window here. Click on the drop down arrow next to H key current user, click on the drop down arrow next to software. You can then scroll down and click on the drop down arrow next to policies, click on the drop down next to Microsoft, and then you'll need to go and click on this Windows folder here. Now just right click on the Windows folder and click on New, and then select Key. This is going to create a new folder, and you need to give this the name of Windows Copilot like this. Make sure to include a capital W and a capital C, and then press Enter. You could then select the folder like so, go and right click somewhere in the blank space and click on New, and click on DWORD 32-bit value. You now need to type in Turn off Windows Copilot. Make sure to include a capital T, O, W, and C, and then press Enter. You could then go and double click on this file that we just created and change the value data to 1 and press OK. Once you've done that, you can restart your computer, and that's how to turn off Microsoft Copilot.